am going on my bike. And I am going to the bridge. Mom. Mom. Yeah. Daddy. Wow.
Dad, you take the lead. I'll follow you, okay?
I didn't even have to stop yet. Okay. Alrighty. Once I get to the hill, I am going to stop for a little bit, 'cause I am afraid of falling down. I know, but still. Whoa. Wow. Alright.
Just don't pedal and then just...
Okay. Ready. Set. Wow.
Got it.
Wow.
Use your brakes. Just a little bit. Just a little bit backwards.
It's kind of hard.
Yeah? You got it. Not going any faster than you do when you're pedaling.
Okay. Whee! Wow. Oh. This is kind of short.
Yep.
Going on a bike. Whoa.
Got it.
Wow. There's two hills.
Tired?
Yeah.
Almost there.
Yep. And I'm only supposed to do it for 30 minutes.
How many?
30 minutes.
30?
Yep. So.
You've got about 5 minutes.
Wow. Alright. Ready for another hill.
Go. Brakes.
Wow. Used it too much. Yay. I'm okay.
You're okay. You alright?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. Alright. You good?
Yeah.
Did you bump your ribs?
No, just my hands.
Your hands? Alright.
Whew.
Let me see them.
They're okay. Just a little dirty.
Yeah, that's alright.
And I have a couple bruises on them.
That's alright.
Yeah. They're just bruises, not always like blood coming out.
Right. Thank goodness. Oh wait, let me straighten your seat. There you go.
Okay. Alright. Back on the trail. Just going back now.
Give you a little boost now.
Alright. Now it's uphills, not downhills.
Yeah, you like the uphill better?
Now I like going down. Wow. It's because you have to use a lot of leg muscle
Yep.
to get up there.
Yeah, gotta have super strong legs.
Whoa. Kind of went a little out of control. Bingity, bingity. Whew. Whoa.
Okay, stay to the side.
Ah.
Good. Go. Right side. Okay.
Okay. Before I thought that was my right.
What's that?
Before I thought the other side was my right.
Oh, whatever way you're going.
I
Going on the right side.
I couldn't use my hands. I have to use my hands to
Okay.
guess it.
Good point.
Whew. And if you go faster, then you won't really have to use that much leg muscle.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Wow. Alright. Now I know what the right is. Wah! And turn. Woo! Ooh wee!